How's it going, John? Can you hear me and see me okay? Good. I wanted to reintroduce myself. My name is Lucas Barcelo. I'm an agent with American Income, Local 277. And I'm going to go over what you're entitled to through the free Will Kit program. Now, first, I have to ask, what prompted you to getting your will done today? Is everything all right? Okay, good. I'm just checking. Now, I'm sure you're already aware, but the state of Nevada is a probate state, which means that when you pass, if you don't have a will, all of your assets could be frozen for up to 2 years. Did you know that? Right. And obviously, it becomes very difficult for anyone that you intended to leave things to. Does that make sense? Right. So let me ask you, before filling out for the free will kit, did you hear about my company, American Income Life, before? Oh, no. So we actually work with all of the unions in America. And we've had this program going for many years. And just recently, we've opened it up to the public. So, what we'll cover today on the call, John, there's going to be three things. The first, I'm going to set up your will kit and I'll explain everything to you. And more importantly, I'm going to explain how this ends up benefiting your family. The second thing we'll do is I'll provide you with a complimentary accidental life insurance policy. And it actually works in conjunction with your will kit. So that way, when you do pass, like we all will, you have a little something extra to leave to your family. And the third and most important reason for the call today, John, is we're going to go over your family care plan. Now, my company, American Income Life, has been working with labor unions and their families for well over 70 years. And we've worked with groups like police, teachers, firefighters, state workers, pipe fitters, plumbers, electricians, anyone that you can imagine that's a part of a labor union, and we supply their supplemental benefits. Make sense? So, obviously, those types of groups have some pretty amazing benefits with their job, right? Well, believe it or not, even they have some major gaps in their coverage. Think about it like this: if an electrician was to be laid off, or there was downsizing, he wants to quit, he becomes disabled. The more importantly, when he wants to retire, what do you think happens to their benefits? Exactly. Most, if not all, of their benefits are gone. And this is an increasing problem, and not just for union workers, but for all working families. Look at your situation. You're working right now, right? And do you have any benefits with your job? Sure. Now, if you wanted to quit your job tomorrow, John, what happens to all your benefits? Exactly. And the most important benefits, being your insurance, are all gone. That's where we come in. So when you filled out for the free will kit, and these kits are endorsed by some of the largest unions in America, you get exclusive access to their benefits today only. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through how everything works, and I'll show you all of the benefits that you could receive. And if it all makes sense, great. I can get you covered as fast as today if you qualify. And if not, no hard feelings. We can part as friends. Does that sound good? All right, great.